How to block or unblock edge panel during game in Game Booster on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen swipe up to go into the app screen. In here, tap on Gaming Hub. After that, tap on the More button, then tap on Game Booster. Now in here, tap on Block during game. Finally, go down to the bottom and tap on Edge Panel. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. When you turn this on, it will block the Edge Panel during game. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key to go back to your gaming hub, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.